guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nishi from True Tarot. So today we are going to see what's coming for my Geminis. Okay Geminis, you can see it for your rising Sun, Moon, Venus. And just to let you know, these readings are just general. They may or may not resonate to each and everyone. So resonate what it takes to you and leave the rest. Okay Geminis? Once again, one more time. Okay, so let us see what is coming for Geminis. Your first card is Eight of Swords energy. Eight of Swords, and at the bottom of the deck I have got Nine of Wands. So Geminis, all I just wanted to tell you is the times are not that good. As you can see, the cards are not that good. Eight of Swords energy will give me the vibe of you're blindfolded, you're trapped. See, you could be trapped because of yourself. You might have closed your eyes by yourself also. Mentally, it could be something you don't want to see anything what is around you. You are deliberately avoiding something, or you feel that you are trapped. If you can see this thing, it's like this lady can actually remove all the traps. She can open her blindfold and the way ahead is clear. She can walk ahead of it, but she doesn't know. She's blindfolded, so she cannot see what is there in front of her. So for now, I can tell you is just see around what is there. You can easily pass away this time, but maybe because of the bad times, something not it's going around in the surroundings, you are feeling trapped inside. Your energies are like very glooming energy I can see here. So please, my advice would be, try to see what is there. You can go ahead, you can trespass this time easily. The only thing is look forward the answers. And at the bottom of the deck we have got Ten of Wands. 10 of Wands energy will tell me about the burden. You are carrying this burden since so long. Maybe since so long you are into this energy of being trapped. You unable to make any decisions, unable to think properly because you feel you are not, the answers are hidden from you. Many things are there that are hidden from you that you cannot see. That's what you're thinking, but you can remove your blindfold. Try to remove the blindfold and see what is there. Remove this burden. You're carrying it since so long. So remove the blindfold and the burden. There is no need to hold on. You are holding on too much. Try to release. Try to release from whatever you are holding on. Okay, Geminis? What else? You're waiting for something. What I can say is waiting for someone to release you. You're feeling helpless. Your next card is Four of Wands. Four of Wands, and at the bottom of the deck we have got Five of Wands. Four of Wands energy says about the foundation, the home, the marriage, the celebration. Maybe you're thinking about your own home, you're looking for a place, or you want to shift or relocate, or you're trying since so long to get a good house, or you want a proper foundation for yourself and for your family itself, for your loved one. You can see some celebration or whatever this is there, but there are too much chaos. The Eight of Swords is also there and Five of Wands is also there. It's too much chaos, too much conflict around you. The people are not on the same page. You people are fighting because maybe everybody wants the thing that you want. All the people want the same thing and you people are literally fighting with each other because of this foundation. Everybody wants this foundation, the Four of Wands energy. But right now, it's too much chaos and conflict. Try to resolve the conflict. Try to think the ways that you can solve this conflict. And the first thing is release yourself from this Eight of Swords energy. Don't feel that you're trapped or blindfolded. Look ahead. You will find the answers for sure. Okay. Let us see what would be your third card, because this card is going to be for your center of the reading. So I really want to know what's coming in here. Please let me know what my Geminis wants to know. Wonderful. Your center of the reading, as I've told you, the third card is Ace of Swords. Wonderful. So Ace of Swords tells me about some clarity. You're going to get some clarity about the thing. What I was talking about, you're blindfolded, you'll have to look, and there is too much chaos and conflict in your surrounding. So I was speaking about this only. So Ace of Swords, all I can tell you is you're going to get the clarity. It is just nearby. It's around you only. You will get this clarity. You can see here the crown is also there. It will be in crowning energy. You'll get your answers, and maybe there will be it will be very much beneficial for you from what situation you are in right now. At the bottom of the deck, we have got the world energy. The world energy is about, as you can see, it's kind of a cycle which is ending. The full one loop is getting over. This lady is coming from this phase to this phase. You're changing the phase from this particular phase where you're trapped, you're blindfolded, you're going to come in the next phase. Okay, you can see this lady is also looking behind. You're looking behind and coming forward, because there is a transition from one phase to another. And with this Ace of Swords, you definitely want to get from one phase to another, because as you get the clarity, you're going to think about the new events, what you can do after coming out from this trapping energy. Okay, very good. I'm happy. At least this card is really good. You're going to get some clarity about your situation. Fine, guys. As I've told you, the bottom of the deck, what I have got was the world energy. The world energy says about the world energy says about changing the phase from one to the next thing. And the Six of Swords is the same kind of energy. Six of Swords says that you'll have to travel from the turbulent water to the calmer waters. So from the turbulent water, you're going to the calmer waters where something good is waiting for you. Something that is really important to you, it's waiting for you on the other side. Maybe right now you're not very happy leaving this place. If you can see this woman and the child, they might be not that happy. They must be thinking they'll have to leave something to something which is important to them, and they have to move to completely start something afresh. But yes, the world energy also says that you are stepping from one phase to another after getting the clarity from whichever bad situation you are in. Regarding your home or regarding your foundation, it can be work, it can be anything. You can think according to your situation, from which phase you are going on. So this is what is not serving you. You're leaving that behind and you are going ahead. And it is important for you to go, because you are there in this for so long. Why I'm saying for so long? Because at the bottom of the deck, I have got Three of Wands. Three of Wands energy is you're waiting for something. So you've waited for this so long. Here also I've told you I've waited for this for so long, because there the burden was there. You're holding it on since so long. It was there, the Ten of Wands energy, what it has come here. So here also you have been waiting. This is a merchant who's waiting for his ships to arrive. So this merchant has been waiting since so long, and now eventually something is coming. The Ace of Wands with the Ace of Swords. You are getting the clarity, and after getting the clarity, you might want to leave the situation and go away, because it is not serving you anyway. So maybe on the other side, you're going to get the bright future, what you have been waiting since so long. The bright future, the Four of Wands type of energy, what you're looking ahead, it must be waiting for you. Let us see what your last card is there. Okay, Geminis. Your last card is, yay, wonderful. It's Six of Wands. Six of Wands is the energy. It's a crowning energy. You can see It is, the crown is there, you are victorious, this thing is also there. Here also it is a crowning energy, sorry, and here also. So you are coming out as victorious. You are going to try, like, leave behind all this type of things, and now you are going to your bright future. And at the bottom of the deck I have got 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles is the, like, financially stable. You're going to be financially stable if you are, like, the clarity you're getting, you will be independent. This card also says about being independent. You're, after coming from this phase wherever you're trapped in, the people, the conflicting energy was there regarding this, the people around you, you people are not on the same page and you're conflicting. So after leaving this situation, you're definitely going to be crowned, come out as victorious, and going to get the wonderful ending. Okay, so this is what I can tell you, Geminis. And I'm really happy after looking the transition that has taken place with the world and everything. So I hope you like the reading. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.